Ready?
Oh, yes.
Take the ring. And then...
What's the code? Completely clean, no gimmicks. Legend.
Wow.
5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blow. Or disappears.
This is Nelly the elephant. Nelly is named after the rapper, you know, who had terrible facial injury to a child. Build big top around Nelly and add a curtain so Nelly can't escape. And then finally, we'll put a barrier up so that Nelly can't cause a stampede and kill everybody in the crowd. Well, now it's time to bring out the limelight. Can you see Nelly there?
Yeah.
3, 2, Nelly vanishes. But Nelly doesn't go far. Nelly goes all the way over to the peanut stand. Nelly the elephant.
Bailey, I would like you to name any playing cards in the decks. Any card. It's so scary because in my pocket, I've got an envelope. Inside that envelope, there is one card.
Oh my god! That was like instant.
Yes! Someone says that next time, it makes my life a lot easier.
And then you just go back. Now you can see from behind and from the front how it looks like it really goes through there. But now there's just only one way to fix that by like removing the thumb from here. Yeah. The card is restored again.
This is a legit multiple location set. People are going to be leaving you hate comments, and it's meant with such love.
Yeah.
I hate you because of this.
Good. I'm glad. 4 different parts of the deck. Okay. Are you happy? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's try this.
Are you serious?
Are you ready? Nothing else, just my wedding ring, but this one's not going to do anything. Are you ready? Don't get confused. I'll go very slow from here. I squeeze once. That went right over his head.
And it's over my wrist.
So yeah.
Do it again. Okay. What the fuck? What the fuck? 3, 2, 1. Nelly disappears. Nelly goes to the sky. And that's the end of
Let me show you this trick with AirPods. All right, we'll do this. And I'm going to place one in each hand, right? One in each ear. Watch this. This is a way of never losing your AirPods. If I hold one in one hand, one in the other, it disappears from here and then reappears over here, right? But if you hold them together, you hear the moment it disappears, like gone, and appears in here. Just like that. And the hardest part of all, Quentin, is actually getting them back into the case. There we go.
That's phenomenal. This is my convention husband.
So if your thumb tip or any fingertip wears down, you can just regrow it with this. Just watch this. So if I take just one finger and put it away, right? Look, I just take some spit and get a little sapling. I'll just grow it eventually. Yeah, until you have a new one. And that's much more organic magic than the others.
So that, Kenny, it's a paper, yeah? Can't do anything with them. You know what you're going to do? This just hold one piece for us, and you're going to see them make this happen. Front, back, inside, and outside, and paper, into plastic. So that should be 10, 20, 30, 60, 70. Is that real?
Shut up.
Not too bad, isn't it? But you know why there's a paper there, right? If you do this, if someone's trying to rob you, especially in London, you put the paper on the top, you press the button in the middle, and then it brings back more paper. When you touch it to the rest, it goes back.
That's sick.
I have the 5 typical ESP symbols. Do you have a favorite one?
Wavy lines.
Wavy lines. So this is your favorite one.
It is.
But I don't know. Oh, not the square, not the square. A lot of arrows. The wavy lines.
I know.
This is Caroline giving me
Hello.
Swedish candy. Where are we at?
They're called the Swedish. Sorry. So
I only
take
have coffee to wash it down.
Take like a fourth. Yeah, don't take the whole thing. Like honestly.
Oh my god. It's so salty.
They're so salty.
Oh.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. Do you want to?
Okay, wait. Let me see the size of your one. Let me see the size of your one. All right, let me see the size of your one. Okay.
Do it.
3, 2, 1. No, put it, Dustin, you have to do the whole thing.
Oh my god!
Just for the vlog. Put it all in.
my god!
Put it all in. Ah!
Are you sweating?
So that's what Sweden tastes like.
It is. Yeah, very salty.
GB's in a box.
Right, that's right. And it's pretty. My brother would take this. He's messed with this one, like it's literally like being this old tube, and he would take it apart, peel the sticks off, and that's kind of how I learned how to do it when I was a kid. Like, obviously, you feel like this, you put it back together, you learn. So now I can do all the magic that people go for you very fast. It's kind of nice, right? But do you know what? Here it's annoying because he's messed with it, right?
Yeah.
His name's Callum, and he's put the orange and the blue the wrong. So what I do now is I have to kind of change it back.
Yeah.
Shit was like from the Matrix.
Okay, so just place it underneath. First one you need. Where is the ball? Exactly. So it's going to be more difficult once you go to the next step. So the next step is with my hand glued as well. Yeah. So you just have to guess where it is. That's pretty good. It's a bit more difficult, It's touching. I get the idea. You know what? I lift it up with 2 fingers.
He's a wee man. Lift it up.
Jesus Christ.
Look at it.
Okay, yeah.
Look at it. Look underneath.
Is it what?
It's quite funny. The person I said to was like, the biggest child.
It's not even.
Let loose.
A whip.
Yo. Oh my
Solid.
god. It's like Thor's hammer for nerds.
The thing is landed. I just don't know in which pocket yet. So the hotel card, sorry. I think somewhere. Yeah, that should be the card, right? Yeah. 3 washes. 1, 2, 3 go inside the box. Like this. I just wave. 1 jumps all the way up. That must mean that inside here there are only 2.
Whoa.
Inside the box. Do me a favor, can you put these 2 inside there for me? First of all, check that there's actually 2. Make sure that they are what it seems to be. Place those 2 inside the box. Slide it in. Perfect. So you can hear them inside. Yeah?
Yep.
You're also going to hear the moment that one join the spread. So if there's 2 there, that must mean that is 1 inside the box.
Wow.
Now I can start to do it in reverse. So there's 1 in the box. If I take these, there's 1, and this one you hear, it lands with its French, that disappears. But that must mean that inside here we have 2 in the box.
Very good.
We have like just, I don't know, 50 movie quotes here, but in fact the only thing I have here are just
So last year I turned 31 and I realized from now on it's just, we're getting older, there's no way back, and like a responsible adult, I've created like a bucket list of things I want to do, and I try to do at least 4 per year. So like at the beginning, at the middle, at the end and stuff like that. So I will tick off the thing with you together now.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so just think of a number. I think I have 40 entries. Between number 1 to 40, anything you like.
21.
Oh, by the way, could I borrow your phone for a moment? Perfect. Or Elliot's phone, I don't know. Okay, so I will. Okay, so what was it?
21.
21. So first of all, I want you to see that the entries are all different from my bucket list. So where is it? Yeah, click it. Down there. Okay, just read off the first 3 things.
Go skydiving, try bungee jumping, and dive with sharks.
Okay, name a number, real quick.
16.
What is 16?
Spend a week on a deserted island.
And what was your 22? Oh,
21.
21, sorry.
It's a theft.
What?
That's a good one.
This can be committing a theft? What?
Stole my heart. No!
It's yours, right?
I'm so scared.
I'll try not to say it.
Oh god, okay.
Oh.
I'm so scared. Oh my god, that's actually going inside you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Get closer to it.
No, I can't.
No, you gotta do it.
I can't.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god, it's actually in his mouth. It's actually in the back of his mouth. How the hell? Oh my god.
That's how he met his wife. I met her on stage time.
That is insane.
Wow.
I'm terrified.
What we're gonna do, we break the shoelace right through the ring, and you can see it's really on it. You can lift it up if you want to. It's not an illusion, and if it would be a very good illusion. So we take the hands up, bring down, and just like that, push it.
What the?
I mean, many magicians here would think rationally, so you know, after I threaded it through, and the ring is real, and the shoelace is real, I need to find a way to get the end back through the ring, otherwise it cannot work. So if you keep one eye on the ends and one on the ring, you still miss the moment where it's this goes back on. And then, what would you, could you just hold your hands together, just like a boat? Little quick. So you exactly see it in the moment when we...
What? Oh. Whoa!
That's crazy. Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, I don't even know.
You hold your hands again, like a little distance between them. So, just into one hand, the ends, hold it tight, and here, the ring. Oh, my finger. Just pull a little bit. No way to see. So, just get your hand really loose and massage them just a little bit. And if you want to think of a magic spell, just think of it. I do it by myself too. And just push a little bit, pull it.
Actual magic.
Is that good? Yeah. We'll leave the 4 hanging out here, and we'll use the queens like this. I want you to watch really close. If I cheat at any given point, you guys just tell me, because honestly, at this point, I lose track when I do the technique. So that's the queens, yeah? And what I'm gonna do is, the queen's here. My empty hand is gonna go on the 4 diamonds, like this. Okay, so far so good, right? Yeah, I mean, you're gonna use your hand, and I want you to cover the queens for me for a sec. Just like that. And now listen. Everyone listen. It's 3 times. 1. There we go. Right, for me. 2. 3. There we go. Hold still, okay?
The important thing to remember
If I will include it,
is that
I will play around with it.
Brenda will always be in your heart.
The other one, that basically the routine. Imagine we have like 3 envelopes. One is green, one's blue, one red. Like to start a Pokemon.
Oh my god, that's so
Wow, I have no idea how you do. I literally have no idea how you do that.